morning, ladies and gentlemen. My presentation is, I'm Fabrizi from Enea. My presentation will deal with the integration of solar energy with another renewable source as a biomass. That may be of importance for the application in the Mediterranean area. I start very quickly. I show before the presentation of our technology, that is ASP, parabolic trough technology that has been developed by Enea during this year. And for persons that will visit our research center this afternoon, will be an opportunity to see directly which are the experiments actually ongoing. The reduction cost for the CSP and other renewable towards the 2025 is related to the coal plant, look like a trend, look like a convergence to the price of levelized energy cost of power. So we are looking to this technology as an opportunity to substitute the fossil fuel. The concept that we have developed is a usual, this is technology CSP with two storage tanks which evolves a heat transfer fluid that is a molten salt, a fertilizer used as a heat transfer fluid, and this application have been demonstrated by Enea and the NEL with a demonstration plan Archimedes that is now in operation in Sicily. We have renewed all part of the technology from the mirror up to the tube receiver and so on. And now in Italy there exists an industry that is able to manufacture all their plant with this very new innovative technology related in relation to the actual one that is operating with oil as a heat transfer fluid, not molten salt, at a lower temperature. This is a very strong innovation. This is Archimedes facility. Okay, I go very fast. What is now in course and what we are looking to reducing the cost and enlarge the field of application of this technology. The use of the storage will be a very important fact for this technology because it's different from the PV and the wind. We have a dispatchability assured all over the day with this technology. So you have electricity not when the sun or when the atmospheric event inside, but when you need. Okay, the innovation may be applied to various parts of the technology. Those are the percentage that are scheduled for the reducing of the cost in the next year. The new innovation that we have put is using a different concept for the storage that is very innovative, in which we use a stratified storage tank in which the steam generator is included and a backup on the molten salt fed the molten salt with an auxiliary heater for backup fired with, for example, gas coming from biomass and so on. Another roadmap for us is towards hydrogen production. That is another field in which Enea is involved in the production of solar fuel. What I want to show today to you that is important for this symposium is that this is a new concept to which we are now focusing our activity, in which we have a central storage tank. Only one storage tank at high temperature with a stratified molten salt that may be devoted to various applications, producing of solar fuel, for example, hydrogen by reforming of methane and steam, or for example, desalinating. Sorry. Okay, the first application of this technology is now in course in the frame of an European project whose name is MATS, and will be installed in Bulgaria lab close to Alessandria. And this is a cooperation with the European Commission. This is the site. This is the Science of Technology, the City for Science and Technology in Borgher Araba. And the target is producing desalinating water in the cogeneration, obviously, and the electricity. This is the backup that we need is only the green bars. That means that the backup is very limited in this case. This is the sketch of the facility that we will be able to produce 1 megawatt of electricity and 4 megawatt of thermal power to be used for various applications. If you put in relation solar energy to the solar energy to the biomass, you, for example, here in this territory in Rome, you need 40 hectares of cultivation of biomass with 1.5 hectare of solar CSP in order to have 1 megawatt for 24 hours. This application may be related to a town. This is a project that we have in Italy also. This is a mountain town in which you can put this facility close to the town in order to have all the necessity for this town. This is a composition of the plant over a terrain in which we have a certain slope, and that you can use a lot of biomass that in this case you have in the mountain. If you look to the necessity, okay, we are looking to the Mediterranean area. For example, in Cyprus, they are going to study again the energetic plan for the island, and that are looking to 1 gigawatt of electric power production. In this case, you have this production combining CSP for 20 square kilometers with biomass from cuts, from the wastes from agriculture, from stock also for cultivation, which is corresponding to 1,000 square kilometers. Applying this to our area here close to Rome, we have this equivalent, the same for CSP, 1,600 square kilometers for the biomass cultivation, coming from agriculture, not coming from a special cultivation. And we don't look to short rotation forestry or specialized agroenergetic cultivation, but by any kind of biomass with a lignocellulose content that is eligible stocks from maize, fruit, tree cuts, and vegetable wastes from forestal activities. This is the process. Are various processes that may be applied for this activity. We will suggest to use steam explosion in order to separate the fraction from a biomass, lignin to use for burning for backupping the solar facility during the cloudy day, and using the remnant part for other uses that as byproduct for production, for example, solar fuel as bioethanol and so on. This concept will be applied in the frame of an agreement between Roma Capitale and Green Power and Enea for the demonstration plant with the CSP hybridized by biomass here in the territory of Roma Capitale. The use of resource of Roma Capitale for the sustainable production of CSP biomass hybrid plant of electric power and the transformation of lignocellulose wastes that in this case will come from the gardens of the town, from the cut tree or our avenues, and that will be used for feeding the system, for producing electricity, as also some kind of fuel that may be used also for example, for transportation. Thank you.